Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We all know what that is. That's spam. It's another spam video. Today, it's a spam Reuben. And what do you need for Reuben? You need rye bread. You need Swiss cheese. You need sauerkraut. You need Thousand Island or Russian dressing. And you need some kind of meat. Usually corned beef, but today we're using spam. Mike Foster here. It's another spam recipe. This one is a spam Reuben. I'll meet you at the stove. We'll put this baby together. I can't wait. It's going to be killer diller. Well, not for the first or last time I lied to you because I'm not meeting you at the stove. I'm meeting you here to slice the spam. We want it nice and thin. See how thin that is? So it'll resemble like a thin corned beef. But we know it's not corned beef. We know it is some kind of spiced ham. Slice these nice and thin like this. Coat this with butter, this rye bread, so that it'll cook really nice. Grill up and melt that cheese. Butter this side up. Now I'll meet you at the stove. This time I'm not kidding. All right, this is a medium pan. This is your rye bread. We're putting one on each side, and we're gonna cook the spam in the middle. Now I'm gonna put the cheese on both sides. The cheesy goodness. Put that one there, and that one there. The other secret to a Reuben sandwich is you either use Russian dressing or you use Thousand Island, which is what I'm using. They both taste pretty much the same. We could always Google it and find out. The other key to a Reuben is putting this gorgeous sauerkraut. Now, the sauerkraut is very wet, and it'll make your sandwich soggy if you don't squeeze some of the excess out of there. All right, there's your killer sauerkraut. You can already see the cheese is starting to melt a little. See how that spam's going? Like it's getting cooked a little. Get a little brown on there. You can eat spam uncooked because it's not raw, so it's not going to hurt you. But it has a nice flavor when it's cooked. Next, I'm going to put a little more Russian dressing here because I want it nice and creamy. A little more there. You can see it's already kind of melted into the scenery here. Take that cooked spam. I'm going to put it right here. Right here. 3 right across. Perfect. Oh, yeah. All right. I'm going to take this side and give the old flipperoo, and we're gonna get this nice and melted. To help with that melting, we're gonna push this down like that. All right, let's take this off. Let's give it a flip. Oh yeah. Actually, this side does need more melting, so let's get that baby ready. This will be ready in about a minute. I'll meet you at the counter. And there is the finished melted product. Let's give it the old sliceroo. And there is the reveal. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is the spam Reuben, and that thing looks good enough to eat. Big bite coming up. There that baby is. Let's have a good bite of this. Now it's still a little soggy, so you gotta make sure you drain as much water out of that sauerkraut, but it's a little, let's see how it tastes. Oh, I gotta tell you, this tastes just like a Reuben. The rye bread just really works. Sauerkraut has that sour, tarty flavor. The Thousand Island is the perfect, well, it's just as good as Russian. It's a good dressing. And then that Swiss cheese melts perfectly. Oh, this spam is just salty enough to replace that corned beef. Some people even use pastrami. I use spam. And it's killer diller perfect spam Reuben. You gotta make this sandwich. And you gotta make all my sandwiches. I got hundreds of them at Live Life 365 on all my socials. I got all kinds of videos about life. Check it out. Until next time, peace. Damn, this is good. Spam, this is good. Oh.
Live life 365.
I just explained it to you. Those are the recipes. And just to let you know, I'm not kidding. You can see the rye right in that bread. That is rye bread. Perfect. This is the key to Flavor Town, as they say. Oh, don't worry. We're gonna fill the whole thing up with the Spam. I'm not kidding. That might be the best Reuben sandwich I've ever made. Or I've ever even eaten. Better than the Carnegie Deli, and I've been there. Sweet Babu. That's the Carnegie Deli in New York. The one I had in New York, I think it cost like 35, 40 bucks. They only take cash, which is, I'm glad we had the cash because we charge everything. And the sandwich was this big. And it was good. This one's just as good. Baba.